Only garlic chicken, guys. If you're interested in this one, come let me show you how to make it. Okay, somebody needs this honey garlic marinade. About 2 tablespoons. Some adobo all-purpose. This is the one at the start, so be mindful, be careful. It's a little complete seasoning. Some garlic powder, some onion powder, some paprika. I'm also gonna squeeze up garlic, rub in this. And we're going with a little Maggi chicken, not too much. That looked a little too white for me. Perfect. You see the difference? Guys, I should have said this. If you don't have this sauce, just add a little honey to it. If you have soy sauce, you can add that to it too. And if you have the word sauce, the Worcestershire sauce, you can add a little of that to it too. And that should do the trick. Little oil. So we're gonna add the meat, skin down to the pot. This is the marinade with the chicken in it, so we're just gonna add to this, right? We're gonna add a little more of this sauce. Only. Gonna add a little of this sauce. We need some soy sauce. See what we have? Alright. Add the sauce. Take the chicken, put it skin down, circle it, and then we'll flip it back over. Alright guys, so we are going also often. Pull the chicken out, baste the chicken so that the chicken will dry out and it catch a nice color. Alright, so we just put this in. We'll wait for my daughter to come hold the camera for me, but what she have made of so long. This is the end result, guys. Guys, if you made it this far, don't forget to like, leave a comment, share this video, and I'll see you guys in another one.